what we are trying to do is sidestep those barriers, right? Just try and find the path through all of those barriers that you can still get a successful commercial product on the market. One of the keys in that strategic decision-making is looking at these industrial applications as a system and let the person fill the gap. Right now, a human might be doing an industrial task that one can automate parts of that, and that's a great application space to not wait for robotic technologies or pin your hopes on the sensing technologies coming along, but try to find a place where you can leave a person doing part of the job and have the robots be very successful at another piece of it. A good example is Kiva Systems. Anybody heard of Kiva Systems here in the Boston area? Yeah, so they're a very successful robotic company that sold to Amazon for outrageous amounts of money a few years ago. And they, in distribution centers, as Nick was saying, supply chain is a great area for automation, not just in the air, but on the ground. And what Kiva did was decide that people are exceptionally good and dexterous at picking things up, deciding what to pick up and picking them up. They developed a system where the robotic agents within a warehouse move the material to the pickers. So they take all that material that's out on racks in a warehouse and move it to the human being, and that was a great solution. They sidestepped all kinds of technical challenges in trying to automate the whole thing by doing that. What we're doing is taking that one step further, that Kiva has a limitation in that they have these big, powerful machines, and you can't have people working in the same space as the machine. So you have to create an interface which creates an inefficiency. So when we came up with this concept for agriculture, we realized a few years ago that there are a lot of material handling tasks in many different markets, many different industries, and if you can find these areas where you can let people still do part of that task and have your robot do the things robots do well, but also meet a cost point, then there's a real opportunity there. So in the distribution center space, we think that that's sort of the next area that we're heading to from agriculture at this point. We were fortunate enough in agriculture to find a